Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. I'm Margaret Gallant, and today we're going to make chickpea gravy. I'm going to get going right away. This is a wonderful comfort food that I just love to use in so many different ways, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it in a little bit. But let's get going. First, we're going to start by taking 2/3 cup carrots and 2/3 cups of onions, chopped onions, and we're going to get those sautéing in a saucepan. We want to get those nice and soft and let them kind of sauté. Now, all I'm using is water. There's no no oil in here. We're just going to sauté it with some water, and we're going to let that sit. While we're letting that cook, we're going to take our high-speed blender, and we're going to add a 1/2 cup of cashews. And we're going to take a cup of water. We're going to take 1/4 cup of a whole wheat flour and 2 tablespoons of your favorite mock chicken seasoning. And I'm going to check on the sautéing vegetables over here, and then I'm going to get this going. We're going to blend this till smooth. So this is a really concentrated amount of this gravy, and we're going to add some more water in a minute here, but what we're going to do is pour it out into our vegetables that are still softening. So we're going to pour this in. And then here's a little trick. We have to add more water to my gravy here, but we're going to actually pour the rest of the water, the 2 more cups of water, we're going to pour it into the blender and just blend it up to get all of that goodness out, to rinse it out so we don't waste any of that. So let me do that real quick. And what we'll do is pour this in to the rest of the gravy. That's actually really starting to thicken. So we'll get that thickening up. We're going to let it cook. So what we'll do is cook this up, and it's going to start thickening and turning into a nice gravy. And then when it's thicker, we're going to add in a can of garbanzo or chickpeas that are drained and rinsed. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of frozen peas. Let me add that in. This is a great recipe because it has all of our vegetables and our protein. And like I said, it just has a lot of versatility to it. All right, we're going to continue cooking this until it thickens, and then we'll come back and show you the final dish. All right, well, we're finishing up thickening the chickpea gravy, and it's turning out so nicely. And how I like to eat it, oh, I love it the very best on a hot baked potato. So let me just serve it up here. It's a lovely meal, very filling and just wonderful for a very cold day. So I hope you enjoy this chickpea gravy. There's so many ways you can eat it, but this is my favorite.